Oh shit! Oh.
I'll probably set the wolf over here.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
Okay. Just takes a little bit.
God
A little bit of
damn.
grab.
This is twistable, look.
Yeah, but like over here for the CO2.
Only other option would be in F13, which is our craft sensor. That way. Thank you. Thank you.
Dude, just put it in the bag. I don't need a bag. And
That's crazy.
you got it, bro. Good shit. Oh my god. Don't aim it towards me. My ears. Yo, you did it right in my ear, you fucking come pinga. Yo, I can't hear anything, bro. Can I have a Mountain Dew icing? I want a Mountain Dew icing.
Knock on the window. What they say?
You should get an icing.
Where is that?
Solo un icing, por favor.
Ahí está el manager,
I tried.
Bruh.
Fucking bitch.
We can't enter.
Fucking puta. Oh my god, look at the penises on the door. Fucking puta.
I'm here back with the boys.
Here, whack with the boys. I heard what you said first. I'm here, whack
See ya.
with the boys. I'm here, back with the
This
boys.
that's how you know it's been a while since me vlogging.
Making turns.
Where?
Just like his driving, he turns slowly.
Bro, roasting my driving is crazy.
You know, after a long while of thinking and reminiscing, it's been a while since we hanged out, and you know, I think I've changed as a person, and also as
Aren't you a father now?
Yeah,
Aren't you a
I got 3 kids. No, man.
Three kids is crazy.
I actually need a cut. I'm not gonna cut.
You need a what?
I need a cut, man. I need to cut this. I need to, like, not cut the top.
Ask your
but cut
man
the-
to give you some money. Quiero.
What? Oh. Yeah, quiero.
I am now a
Wait, who were you thinking?
Oh, this guy's just the rich one.
Yeah, we gotta hang out more. I don't care what we gotta do. We gotta.
Yo, for real.
Gotta
I know we're all working hard for our dreams,
I ain't working for my dream.
but still, we gotta hang out more. We said that earlier this year. Look where it's at. Oh, oh my god.
I'ma get it.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's over. That's over.
There we go.
Now it's even. It's clean.
Oh, my leg. What the fuck? Yeah.
That's almost a headshot. Oh! See the sit up, warm up.
Fuck!
So how do you
Safe for this time, bucko.
So how do you feel about your performance in that last round?
Bro, that last round was kind of bad, low key.
Yo, low keys. It was really bad. I'd say that need a little more practice.
I mean, yeah, you're right. It was pretty terrible. Nobody got his target in. I mean, he was kind of close. But
I was the closest one.
I
I
Literally.
got one very close.
No,
I got one.
I got your
very
leg,
close.
which is
It's a screenshot.
All right,
of the
we
preview.
made
He
it
does
to the
that. It's
beach.
exactly how he-
Like Carlos always finds himself a way to hang.
oh wait, I can't.
Get down. Just get down, David. Come on. David.
Whoa, you can't do it anymore.
Just let go, man. Just put your don't latch on. Just go. Just that's it. That's it. No. Why are you latching on? Stop latching on. Let go. Let go. God damn it.
Like I said,
He's gonna do it again.
Your foot, you're going down.
oh shit.
Not surprised though.
Okay, so it's just a basic movement.
Jesus.
What the hell, Carlos?
Yeah, you can do it.
I know for a fact. So I just push up position.
No.
Bring your arms back.
Bring it like
Right, so you want to bring it closer to your
a little closer to your core. Like that. And then you just push your body in front of you. And then lift up your legs. Don't cross your legs.
Basically, that's just
No.
¿Cómo estás, David? Un placer, muchas gracias por recibirme. Súper feliz de estar aquí contigo y presentarte mi tema. Como dijiste, está candela.
No, sí, lo venía escuchando en el carro y te lo juro que me encantó.
Me alegra, me encanta, eso es lo que quería.
Le estaba diciendo a uno de mis amigos que traje aquí, les dije que puede ser un club hit.
¿Un cómic, te parece?
Claro que sí,
¿Sí?
está espectacular. Dime, ¿cuál fue tu inspiración detrás de la canción?
Bueno, tu camisa es una canción que, la verdad, cuando entro al estudio nunca tengo como una